Hello, this is the second video of a series of Mathemagician tutorial. This time we are going to learn some more advanced techniques for Mathemagician, such as how to do multiplication. Just drag on this multiplication sign, upward and release. And for division, the idea is similar. Drag on this fraction bar, upward and release. Okay, one more time. Drag on the fraction bar, upward and release. Okay, now we are going to learn how to move terms. So if you know how to solve this equation, you basically subtract 5 from both sides of the equation, and that resulted in moving this 5 across this equation to become a minus 5, and then just do this 10 minus 5, you will get 5. Okay, let's try this one more time. Move this minus 5 from the left side to the right side becomes a plus 5, and you do that. And in this example we have 8 times x equal to 32. So what we do is we divide by 8 for the both sides of the equation, and that resulted in this 8 goes to the right side becomes divide by 8, and then you do the division. Here we have 8 on the denominator, and you move it to the right side, then becomes the numerator, and you can do this multiplication. And this one too, you move it down, then it becomes the denominator.